How's everybody doing today? Thank you for coming back over and checking out my channel. This is Mary from Around the Craft Room. Well, it's been several months, I guess, since I've made a video. If you watched the last video I made, you can tell my house burnt and we are living in our camper. So I just wanted to update you what's going on and then maybe get back to doing some crafting. Of course, I don't have a lot of stuff, craft supplies and stuff yet, but we will be building a new house and I'll be getting a new craft room. So I'm going to need some help. I'm going to need some help with finding out what I should get, and maybe y'all could help me. Just, tell me, if you lost everything, what would you get? What would you buy again of your supplies, and what would you not? I mean, there was a lot of things I had, obviously, that I hadn't used in years. And I'm like, well, I really don't need those. I more than likely bought them because they were on sale at the first time. But even if they're on sale again, I mean, even if I could go buy everything, which obviously I can't. But what would you buy in craft supplies, and what would you not buy? I mean, I probably will get a Cricut and, vinyl and stuff to go with that. And, of course, I'll have a sewing machine. I haven't found the one that I like yet. That's going to take some searching. But we are still probably a few months away from getting an actual house. Since we're doing a lot of the work ourselves, it's going to take a lot longer than if we just had it, contracted out. But we're trying to save as much money as we can and be able to build it for what the insurance we got out of it, which who knows if that's possible. But anyway, so I just wanted to tell you that I'm here. I haven't disappeared. It's just, it takes a lot of time to figure out new stuff, and especially for me, it takes me a while to learn even the new setup. I mean, obviously I'm still recording here on my phone, but then I'll have to have some new lighting, and sitting here in my camper, I don't even know if I've got enough light that this video is going to show up. But I just thought I'd give you a little bit of what's going on in my life now and where things are. I'm going to go outside here and I'm going to show you what, what stage I'm at on my craft room, which is coming soon, we hope. Anyway, where I'm at, it took us a long time to even get the plans made. We took them to the architect, and then he had an emergency, and then it rained, and it rained some more. And it seems like every time we get to a certain stage, it's raining again. So it takes a long time to build when the weather just doesn't want to work with you. But it's a nice sunny day today, and maybe this next week we can actually get it started. So let me go outside with you now and show you where I'm going to have a room. Okay, it's very bright out here today, but I'm walking up the sidewalk, which will be to the front of my house. And, oh yeah, I have to show you Mandy's over there. There she is. She's in her pen for now. She likes to get out whenever I'm out here, but I just wanted to show you this first. So anyway, so I'm walking up here, which will be the front of our house. So this will be close to the front door. That's going to be my dining room area. And then we walk into the front door. Welcome to my house. This area over here will be the kitchen. And that's just water from the rain yesterday. And then you will go through the dining room, which will be here, and into the little hall, which will go this direction, and then back over this way is my craft room. My craft room is going to be about, I think it's a 14 by 13, something like that. It's a nice size room, and it's going to be at the front of the house. So there'll be windows right there, be 2 windows. And then on this side, I'm going to have a door that's going to go out right outside. So I can, you know, if somebody wanted to come over and craft with me, they can come straight into my craft room. And I'm going to have steps there, a porch with steps. And then a bathroom right here, or a half bath actually. And then a closet off of the craft room, and then there's a hall that goes back to the laundry room right there. I know it doesn't make a lot of sense right now because basically it's just a slab. It took us a long time to clean it up. That's our camper. That's where I'm living right now. So, and then that's the rest of the house down that way. So, yep, that's about it. I'm gonna have a sunroom over there, windows all the way around. I might give you a tour of the house when I get it done, but hopefully we will actually be putting some walls up in the next, I'm hoping soon. I can't say when, but soon. But the main thing is, or that I wanted to show you, was the craft room. And like I said, it's going to be about a 14 by 13, I think, something like that. It's going to have a door, 2 windows across the front, and then this wall in the dining room wall there will be a solid wall. And I don't know what I'm putting in here, but I need any suggestions you have. You know, I'm thinking my daughter and I may be going to IKEA, which we don't have an IKEA here in Arkansas, so I'll have to find one maybe and get some IKEA furniture or something like that to put in here. So, alrighty, I will talk to you later. Thank you for watching.